Do you have a big family or a small family?
Today we talk about family words in English.
Mother, father, sister, brother, and more. Let's go.
Hi everyone. I'm William. Welcome to Learn English.
And I'm Sarah. This is Level A1 for absolute beginners.
Today's topic, talking about your family.
We use short sentences and simple vocabulary. Let's begin.
Sarah, do you have a big family?
Yes, I have a big family. I have a mother, a father, and 2 sisters.
Do you have any brothers?
No, I do not have any brothers. Only sisters.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married. My husband's name is Tom.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 1 son and 1 daughter.
That is lovely. I am not married. I live with my parents.
Great. Now let's look at important family words.
Mother and father are your parents. Parents means mother and father.
Sister is a girl in your family. Brother is a boy in your family.
Son is your male child. Daughter is your female child.
Husband is the man you are married to. Wife is the woman.
These are the most important family words. Practice them.
William, tell me about your family.
Sure. My family is small. I have a mother and 1 brother.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Anne. She is 50 years old.
And your brother? Is he older or younger?
My brother is younger. He is 22 years old.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes. My grandparents are from Italy. They are very old.
Let's review more family words from that conversation.
Older means born before you. Younger means born after you.
Grandparents are your mother's or father's parents. Very important.
Tell me about your family means please describe your family.
Practice. Say 1 sentence about your own family right now.
Repeat after me. Nice and slow.
I have a big family.
My mother's name is Anne.
I have 1 son and 1 daughter.
My brother is younger.
Great work. Say it again without stopping.
Quiz time. 3 family questions.
Question 1. Your female child is your A. Son, B. Daughter, C. Sister.
The answer is B. Daughter. Your female child is your daughter.
Question 2. Mother and father together are your A. Children, B. Grandparents, C. Parents.
The answer is C. Parents. Mother plus father equals parents.
Question 3. Your father's mother is your A. Aunt, B. Grandmother, C. Sister.
The answer is B. Grandmother. Your father's mother is your grandmother.
Wonderful. Now you can talk about your family in English.
Next episode, ordering coffee at a cafe. Very useful.
Subscribe and we will see you next time. Goodbye everyone.